Let's get right over to Alison Pryor with your forecast. And Alison, a little bit warmer this morning.
It is. So overall temperatures right now, a mixture of 30s and even low 40s. So yeah, you need the coat, but you don't have to layer up quite as much. It's not as chilly as yesterday morning. And as we look at our weather headlines for today, tomorrow, and Friday, so kind of wrapping up the rest of the work and school week, quiet weather Wednesday. That's what I'm calling it for today. No real big deal or worries for the day today. Again, temperatures are above freezing right now. Yes, we're going to have more clouds, but our afternoon highs from about 50 to 54. So seasonable, if not a couple of degrees warmer than normal. Tomorrow, that's going to be the big day. So wintry mix across the area, rain, snow, sleet, all possible. And we are going to do it as a storm alert weather day for Thursday. So certainly pay attention. Now, the big thing too is not just the precipitation falling during the daytime of Thursday, but also really cold air moving in Thursday night, which means it's going to be bitterly cold on Friday. Starting the day on Friday in the teens, we'll have the potential for a couple of locations in single digits for those wind chills on Friday morning. So it is going to be very cold on Friday. Let's start off though with what we are currently dealing with across the Tennessee Valley. Nothing showing up on radar here locally, so dry across the area. We're going to be dry for the day today, just more clouds. And you can see that cloud cover kind of rippling across our region. I'm going to pull us back a little bit further, and what you'll notice is a system that's developing right here, kind of right around Idaho. Now what we're going to watch is over the next 24 hours, 36 hours, this energy slide down to Texas and Oklahoma and then sweep across our area. So here's a look at kind of this mid-level wind support across the region. So here we are, here comes that big system coming through, and notice these purple white colors indicate stronger wind. And again, this is higher up in the atmosphere, but it helps provide that lift and development as it swings at the bottom of this trough and lifts up right across us in the Tennessee Valley. That's why we're right in the middle of having that chance of all three kinds of precipitation of rain, snow, and sleet. And then it's going to lift right back off as we head into Friday. But behind it, that much colder air coming in from the northwest. So now let's switch over and show you FUTURECAST, which is what we would normally take a look at. For today, that mix of sun and clouds, at times more clouds than sunshine, and other points you're going to get a little bit more blue sky. So it's still overall going to be a nice weather day for the day today. And again, dry conditions. Let's take a check of tomorrow then. So right now, that kind of precipitation window, it's still fluctuating a little bit starting in the morning or starting right at midday. So I'm going to give you that window from about 9 a.m. all the way till 8 p.m. So let's go through this. Our in-house model continues to show this low pressure to the south of the state line. So it's slowly been moving further southward. And if you remember from yesterday, the further south it is, the more likely we have snow chances. But this pink also indicates that wintry mix, that potential for some sleet. As we go through, look at this. Georgia communities, more likely you're just going to be dealing with rain. I'm sorry. The greatest snow chances are going to be for areas that are to the north of Chattanooga. This is probably going to make some hazardous driving at midday, picking up the kids from school on Thursday afternoon, and your evening commute home from work on Thursday evening. Now behind that, again, that really cold air filters in. Friday morning, it is going to be shockingly cold to the body, and we can also see a lot of spots of that black ice developing. So more concern for that black ice potential on Friday morning than what we were yesterday morning. So I wanted to give you that heads up too. So here's the 7-day forecast, topping out at 54 for the day today. Those highs generally ranging from 50 to 54. Tomorrow is the storm alert weather day. Still some questions on where exactly that rain and snow transition line will be, so certainly check back in over the next 24, 36 hours. What's not in question is how cold it's going to be on Friday morning. So we definitely know that everyone is going to get those cold temperatures. You'll have to watch out for black ice on Friday morning, and just make sure kids and yourself are bundled up if you're outside at all. So